They don't seem to care about that one. They're not reacting at all.
You're right. Let's show them a different one.
Meow, 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 meow.
I think she's eating it like if she goes.
What? Where'd it go? Oh, that's cute.
Meow, meow, meow.
So with the first one, why do you think the pig passed out when the kitten was put on it? We asked you a question.
Just move on to the next question.
The second video, do you relate to it at all? Have you ever jumped into large clay pots? Or small clay pots? Any object that you accidentally fell into? Anything?
Can you at least look at us?
She's really cute.
Yeah, I agree, but we need some kind of answer. That's what the show's about.
Well, maybe these cats are too young then. Maybe we need older cats, and the older cats will give us their opinions.
Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow.
Don't touch that! I tried to warn you.
Meow, meow, meow.
Okay, so, what did you think about that video? There's no wrong answers, it's just your opinion. Okay. Should we wake it up? Whoa, 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 whoa! Is this a positive message for cats, showing that it is not always you guys that are stealing the socks?
Where are you going? Come on, we need you by the table. Ben, go grab her.
Okay, so what did you think This isn't working. They're just doing whatever they want. This is ridiculous.
We need to get some cats that are used to the spotlight.
You're right. We need to get some professionals.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Really, guys? I don't want to do this. I know my YouTube channel name is pretty cute, but this is taking it a bit too far.
Really? I studied with Uda Hagen. I do not need to put up with this.
Well, then we'll find someone who will.
Meow? Meow, 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 meow. 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 Meow, meow. Meow. Meow.
Ugh, this isn't working. I give up.
Yeah, let's get out of here. Meow. Meow, meow, meow. No, no, meow. Meow. Meow.
My mom is so proud of me right now.
Meow, meow.
That's it.
We're done. We're done.